This video, let's see how we can create YouTube video scripts with the help of ChatGPT. So in this section of this course, what we will be doing is we will be creating YouTube videos, YouTube video content, or maybe shorts content, or content for TikTok with the help of ChatGPT and with the help of AI. We will be using other AI tools and ChatGPT both, and we will be creating video content for YouTube. So let's get started. First of all, what we need to do is we need to create some scripts for our video. First of all, let's give ChatGPT our niche and let's ask ChatGPT about the topics, few topic ideas that we can rank for inside YouTube. So let's go for it. So let me ask ChatGPT that give me 10 YouTube video ideas about, let's give us our niche. Let's go with finance. Let's see which type of finance video ideas YouTube will give us. So okay, so there are some 10 ideas that we can make video on. How to save money on groceries, cryptocurrency explained, the basics, 10 budgeting tips for young adults. I think I'm going to go with investing in stocks for beginners. I really like the title, and also I think there is a demand for it. So let's create video on that. So let's go ahead and ask ChatGPT about more information. Let's go with number 10 and create a video script. Okay, so we are saying ChatGPT that we like the number 10, that is investing in stocks for beginners, and we want a video script. So it's giving us the video script now. It's starting with intro, and then what is stock, how to buy stocks, types of stocks, okay, how to choose stocks, also good, and risk of investing in stocks, part 5, and conclusion. So this is basically the conclusion of whole video. So this is our script for the whole video, for the entire video. We can narrow down the script. I can say like remove titles. Let's remove the titles. So if ChatGPT understands what I'm saying is remove these titles. Okay, so it has removed the titles. Okay, so it has something like to buy stocks, and then two main types of stocks are choosing stocks may be tricky, investing in stock comes with risk. Okay, so now we have removed all the titles because I don't want them. I want it to be a simple YouTube script. So this is our script. We have created our YouTube script. The next thing is what we do is I can add personalization in there, like my YouTube channel name is Finance with Heather, and I want you to include the call to action to subscribe. So I'm also adding this information. So let's see if ChatGPT understands. Hey everyone, welcome back to Finance with Heather. Today we are going to talk about investing in stocks for beginners. Okay, so it has added my name, and let's see if ChatGPT adds the call to action to subscribe at the end as well. So here you go. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Subscribe to our channel as well. So ChatGPT has created a script for us, and it added our brand name and also the call to action. Now the next thing is we need to create this script. Now I'll teach you in the next video how to create convert this script into voiceover with the help of AI.